Welcome to my Shaman Drum and Dance course, The Rhythm of the Feminine. This course is an introduction to dancing and drumming, playing drums whilst you dance. Learn about the medicine wheel, the chakras, and the associated rhythms. Light up both hemispheres of the brain as you combine nourishing belly dance movement with playing various drum beats and healing the body and mind in a harmonious rhythmic interplay. This course covers a warm-up/cool down, an introduction to each rhythm and its relationship to the chakras and the medicine wheel, a PDF of the rhythms and chakras for reference and practice, belly dance technique video for each rhythm, a drum and dance combination for each rhythm, a drum and dance choreography, 2 recordings to practice and follow along with, and a chakra healing meditation. For this course, you will need a Shaman Drum or a frame drum with a handle and a drum beater. I invite you to join me on a journey of inner discovery through rhythm, drum beats, and movement. I look forward to dancing and drumming with you. Bye.